It's a meat grinder. We're on the deep part of it. It's one of my favorite rocks, but it's underwater. Couldn't even rub it. That's a great rock to push rookies on if they're in the way. Oh boy, see those shrubs growing out of that boulder sticking off the right bank? We're going to the right of that where the fun is. Kayakers call the opening move S-wave, and most rafters do too. I'll try to key up to the steam and S-wave nice and perpendicular. Might run this, I definitely run this different than the raft in front of me. Maybe a little different than Austin, but closer to his spot. Austin's another kayaker. Yep, that's how I like it, right there. So what's that trim that? Probably thread. Big bump, big bump! Bigger bump, don't fall out. Falling in is fine. Get ready for bumps on the left, be prepared.